No, because it's single overhead. You need the dual overhead block, because otherwise it won't have the gears.
Okay, it's EJ25.
Yeah.
Like the exhaust housing.
Make a good drift car though. Oh, but it's auto.
Yeah. There's another one.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't believe they're already at the wreckers.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I come across them.
Automatic. Dual overhead, there you go. These engine bays suck to work in though. It is dirty, but that would do too. So there's two here. Two so far. Well, the motor's good to come out. We pulled it all already, and the only problem we're having right now is we don't have an engine stand or an engine hoist.
Ooh, they can bolt this guy.
Yeah, and that's just a 14 mil.
You might need an actual.
Okay, we'll use the seat belts and a piece of wood. All right. Who needs an engine hoist anyways?
Ow though.
Yeah, ow. Well, there we go. Woo! It's okay. No, that'll be okay. Alright guys, so I pulled the engine out. We got it out in 19 minutes flat, and then, well, we got it undone in 19 minutes flat. And then basically the part that held us up is the junkyard didn't have a Bobcat or anybody licensed to use one today there, and it was also too muddy for them to drive it, otherwise it would get stuck. So we had to improvise, and luckily we found some seat belts in the back of that Forester. We cut those out and used them as the straps, and then from there we found a 4x4 that was about 8 feet long, and it worked perfect. You know, lifting with your legs, it'd be okay, but it wasn't, it was fun. It's an experience. I don't think I'm gonna do it again unless I direly have to, but definitely an experience for both of us, and it was quite interesting. Right now what I'm doing is I'm headed out to the I'm just headed out to the car wash. I just picked up some degreaser here from the house. So, and I dropped off my roommate. He's the guy with that GC8. But basically, you know, now that we're good to go, I'll take it to the local car wash just up the road here. Throw $10 in, spray it down as best we can so there's not mud all over or grease or coolant or whatever's on it right now, because it's annoying to work with that. And then basically we'll take it back, we'll strip it down, and we'll start rebuilding. And should have the car running. It is about what is it? It's 12:45 right now. Should have it done. Maybe I'm hoping by 5 or 6 o'clock and running. Fingers crossed, but we'll see. So see you guys in a bit. Well, I'm soaked. I had to take off my jacket. That was fun. All right, guys, well, we got the engine back, unloaded, cleaned, ready to go. Tear down time. This is exciting stuff. We'll see how it goes, but I'll show you guys a little bit about what we got going on here. Basically, this is an EJ25D. You can see by the EJ25 badge right. Let's get some focus going here so you can see right there, EJ25. It's a D. It was a what do you call it? A naturally aspirated motor. So the heads on it are different. The internals are a little different from what I know. So, and it's also got like, it doesn't have coil packs. It just has plugs on it. And it's a wire driven cable there. So, but basically what I'm gonna do is pull the intake manifold off, pull the heads off, pull the clutch off first so I can get it up on an engine stand. We'll take the other block that I have over here, the 257 block that is now garbage essentially, unless I get it sleeved, off. We'll put this onto there, and then we will start picking apart at it, and then picking apart it, I don't know what that means, but basically we'll start pulling apart this motor. If I can focus on it. I don't know what's going on here. Sorry about all the problems. I need to get a better camera. These Canons, these Canon cameras, they're not that great. And then I'm gonna use the internals I have over here. So I have the pistons, and I have the rest of the stuff to put together, the turbo heads right here. So these heads will go on that block, and I have the proper head gaskets, clutch, flywheel, everything to go on. And then I will put it back in the car, start it, and daily it. So I'm pretty excited. Let's start pulling it apart.